Hi, and welcome to News Channel 6. I am your broadcaster, Timber Davis. Today we have Gabrielle Slyman broadcasting live from Studio AH-104. Over to you, Gabrielle.
Good evening. I am Gabrielle Slyman, and here we have Dr. Julie Woodson. Today we are talking about radioactivity.
Hi, Ms. Slyman. I'm so happy to be here today. I would like to tell you about the different types of radiation, alpha, beta, and gamma. First, this is a model of a visible nucleus. Let's start with what radiation is. Radiation occurs when a nuclei has too few or too many neutrons. This nucleus has too few neutrons, so it is radioactive. The first type of radiation I will show you is an alpha decay. Because the atom is radioactive, an alpha particle is ejected while at the same time radiation called a gamma ray comes out. An alpha particle consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. A gamma ray is basically nothing.
Well, what happens when the atom loses four particles?
That is a process called transmutation, which we will talk about in a minute. Alpha particles can be stopped by a thin layer of material.
Well, what type of thin layer material? Give an example.
Thin layers, such as a piece of paper or a piece of plastic, is this type of material. Next we have a beta particle, which consists of 1 neutron. An electron is ejected because the atom is radioactive, while at the same time a gamma ray is also ejected. The difference between the alpha and beta decays, other than the electron being ejected, is that the neutron in a beta particle turns into a proton.
Wow. Then how can the beta particle be stopped?
A beta particle can be stopped by aluminum. A gamma ray can be stopped by concrete or lead. Back to the concept you brought up earlier, transmutation. What happens when an alpha and beta decay? That makes no sense. When an alpha and beta decay, the element changes and it loses its atomic number. Well, the atomic number goes down, I think.
And now on to our subject is fusion and fission.
Okay. Fusion happens when a neutron is being put into an atom and it hits the nucleus. Right here. Kaboom! Energy is released. Today, fusion
Fusion is a very uncontrolled chain reaction.
You start over.
So she's finding some errors. Why don't you start over? It's okay to start over.